Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to clean the print head on your Epson printer manually without using a computer or any special tools. This method works for almost all Epson models that don't have a display screen on the control panel. Here's how to do it. Next, press and hold the stop button, then also hold the power button at the same time. Keep both buttons pressed for about 5 seconds, then release them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. Now just wait. In a few seconds the printer will automatically print a nozzle check page. Be patient, don't touch anything. Okay, it's printing now. Here we have the nozzle check page. As you can see, on this side there should be solid black lines with some text, and on the other side you should see colour lines without any gaps. That means the colour print head is working fine. But since the black is missing, I'll clean the print head using the easiest way, manual head cleaning without a computer. Sometimes you may need to do this once or a few times until the black ink comes back. To run the cleaning, just press and hold the stop button here for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. Now the cleaning has started. You'll notice the power light flashing. This process takes a few minutes, so just wait until the light stops flashing. To save time, I'll fast forward the video. Alright, the light has stopped blinking. That means the first cleaning is done. Wait about 15 seconds, then turn off the printer and run another nozzle check. If you don't see any improvement after the first cleaning, you can repeat the process again, waiting about 5 minutes between each cleaning cycle until you get the best print quality. Here's the nozzle check again. Now the black ink is back, so I don't need to run a second cleaning. I hope this video helps you fix your Epson printer. If it does, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.